My name is Ajit, and in this video, we'll take a tour to the WHM backend configuration file. So these are some of the important files which we need to take care after installing the WHM and cPanel or any of the servers. So let's start going through each of the files and see what are the configurations we have stored under the server. So let's log into the server first. So I'm already logged into the server via putty. So let's check the host name. So our host name is cpanel.thinkit.com, so which is related to our WHM. So first of all, we'll check the cPanel backend files. So once your cPanel and WHM host manager is installed, so it will create a folder under usr.local. So cd/usr/local. So once you do ll, you can see this folder name called cPanel. So all the configuration files of your WHM and cPanel will be stored under the cPanel folder. So let's log into the cPanel folder. We'll do ll. These are all the files related to your cPanel activities. So you can see like this. You can use a command called ls. So number one. So there is a folder for the third-party tool installation under cPanel folder, which is known as cd third party. We'll do ls. You can see all the third-party related application configuration you will see under the folder name called 3rd party. So let's go to the next folder. Let's come back to the cPanel folder. So next folder is called cPanel addons directory, where you will install all the add-ons, which is known as cd/space add-ons. .cpa add-ons, sorry, ls. So all the add-ons of cPanel should be available under cd/cpa add-ons. So let's come back, and next file is base file like phpmyadmin spins. So you will see that files under the base folder. So we'll go to the base folder and press ls. All the configuration file related to phpmyadmin skills, all of that you will see under the base folder under the cPanel. So let's come back to the cPanel main folder and let's check the other files, which are the cPanel binary files. We'll go to cd/bin. All the binary files related to the cPanel you will find under the bin folder. Let's come back. So next are the CGI files. So all the CGI files come under the cd/cgi-sys folder. So all the files related to the CGI you will find under the cgi-6 folder. So next is cPanel access and error log files. If you want to check any of the error logs files, so you need to go to the folder called cd/logs. So all the error related and logs related files you will found under the folder name called logs. So let's come back. So next is all the WHM related files. You need to go under folder name called cd wh host manager. So when you do ls, these are the files related to the WHM host. So these are the cPanel backends file which you need to take care once the installation is done. You need to do any changes related to that for the cPanel and WHM. In this video, we have discussed about some of the important configuration files for the cPanel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.